Home organization brands and content creators are no longer spending days writing and editing their blogs. They are using AI to create the entire SEO ready article in minutes, with everything from headings to images already done. And let me show you one. Do you see this blog? It was written in under 3 minutes with images, infographics, with proper headlines, and even FAQs and a related YouTube video added at the bottom of your blog. And I did this using autoblogging.ai, and let me show you how. After you log in, on your left panel, there are different modes like quick, wizard, single, bulk generate. I'm going to go with wizard. This is where you set exactly how the AI should create your blog. For the article title, I'm going to type how Gen Z is redefining home organization in 2025. The main keyword is right there for SEO and it's specific to a trending audience. Next. For the language, I'm going to keep it English, but Autoblogging supports 30 languages, so you can publish in any language your readers speak. Next, for the length, I'm going to pick medium. It's enough to cover the key trends without losing the reader's attention. Short is great for quick and a bite-sized content, and long is best if you want to go deep into details and cover every angle. Next, here I'm going to choose informative. It's best for explaining ideas and covering trends in detail. But here's what other style do. Listicle is, it turns into a numbered points. Places is the list of location or resources at that particular city or place. And service by landing pages is for promoting service or product. Next, here I'm going to pick second person. So the blog speaks directly to the reader. First person is more like a personal story and third person is more neutral and formal. Next, here I'm going to pick conversational because it is easy to read and friendly approach. But here's what other style do. Professional is for more formal and a B2B tone, and witty is more playful. Premium style 1 is for SEO structure. Snippet optimizer is for a quick Google answer. Less AI words, your blog will sound more natural, and auto is where AI will choose what is best for your topic. Next, here I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Intense optimized article, it has stronger keyword targeting, and FAQs will add question and answer section at the end of your blog with questions people are searching on Google already. AI images will add relevant visuals automatically, and infographic will add simple visual breakdowns of concepts or data. Next, SERP analysis. Autoblogging scans the top ranking home organization articles, it studies their structure, and it also shapes yours to compete it. So you just have to enable this, and in the source context box, quickly write how you want your article to be. You can also select the country where you want to rank first. And here also I'm going to tick on all the 4 boxes. Outline from competition, it gets a proven structure from top results. YouTube video will add relevant video inside your blog. External link will add links to a trusted sources for credibility, and key takeaways will add a short summary of the main points at the end of your blog. Next, AI proofreading. Just enable this and quickly leave a note here. So it will automatically check the grammar, spelling and readability before the blog is even delivered. Next, internal linking. You just have to enable this and paste your domain here. So autoblogging will scan your existing article. If it find matches words related to home organization, it will automatically link them to your older posts. So this keeps readers on your site for longer. It improves SEO and also helps understand how Google understand how your content is connected. Next, human proofreading. It's optional, but if you want a real editor to review the blog for tone and clarity, just enable this and quickly leave a note here. For this, you'll require a human proofreading credits, which you can purchase inside your dashboard anytime. Now hit on generate article, click on the history tab, scroll down and wait for the view like icon here and click on that. In under 3 minutes, your blog will be ready with infographics, images, headlines, FAQs, even related videos added. Here's a quick tip for you. If you want to be faster next time, go to quick and single option and just enter your title here. With a fewer clicks, you can generate your article. It is just as same as wizard but with fewer clicks. And if you want to generate 10, 20, or even 100 articles at once, you can use our bulk generate option, and you can even auto post that to WordPress. AI is making it faster than ever to turn an idea into a publish ready blog. With autoblogging.ai, you can focus on running your home organization, brand, or business while the AI is handling the writing, SEO, and visuals, everything done. And if you would rather skip this setup, you can also try our Done For You blog service where we'll create and optimize everything for you. If this video helped, hit a like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more AI powered blogging tips.